Yeah, Saturday. Yeah, live, you know, bands, you know. Yeah, no track, bands. No, performing with the bands.
Fire.
Panfire is the name of the bands, but I tell you, say no track, bands, you know, live. Yeah. No, no, man, no, no, no. Panfire the band name, man. Yeah.
No.
No, no, already. Reggae to reggae, comfort on ya, you know, every Thursday. Yeah. Yeah, so I've been doing that, you know, for a while. So I've been performing the bands, you know. No, Comfortania Lounge. Right on Mount View Road there, so yeah, man. Yeah. Different reggae to reggae. Yeah, Sage, you know, big up Sage, you know? Yeah. Yeah, the poet. Yeah. 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 When I left at the stoplight, then the first left again. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, they keep different events, you know, but the reggae to reggae is the live bands, you know, legend band. Yeah. Yeah, them can check out them, have them performance up on YouTube too, you know. Just type in Ajoni, AJ or NI, you know? Yeah, you see the performance, them reggae to reggae. You know what I mean? Yeah. Definitely. Well, it's just me, you know. Yeah, man. Like a little mini concert, you know. That's me, man, you know. Yeah, just it's you know, it's just preparation, you know, cause the demo CD will come out. We have big things and plans, you know. Me and my team.